redemption found in taking bigger hits. The bliss, the ocean's kiss needed a part of it. There was so much to see and to be running from, nothing to lose, and yet you were afraid to come to see what you'd become, not needing air.
Hello, I'm out magnet fishing and I'm in Lincoln, in Lincolnshire. I am right, aren't I?
Yeah, I'll tell you what, mate, you're a bright spark, you.
I'm with Magtech UK, Jolly Dippers,
Jolly Magneteers.
Jolly Magneteers, oh, for God's sake. And Boston Magneteers. Everyone's Magneteers these days. So yeah, I'm here with them. We're social distancing and I need the wee really bad.
We all came in the same minibus, but that's neither here nor there.
Are we filming? Yes, we are. Yes, sir. Mate, there's ants all here as well. I am the Ant-Man. Ant-Man. Oh. Oh, man. You know, from that angle, it looked good. It's a coat hanger. I can't believe that. I thought to myself then, oh wow, that's really good. Nope. Let's walk down. Look at all this junk someone's left. Disgusting. Someone's left an old skateboard. Let's see what we're on. What's this? Folded up metal, but it's got that weight thing on the end. I wonder what that was for. What you got there?
I didn't hit it. Just a bit of...
No.
Is it a spanner? You reckon it's an old screwdriver? No? No, it's too thick for that.
Mate, it nearly looks like a 50 cal round.
It's bigger than our 50 cal we've got, isn't it? Got to tap it on the side.
It's that bit we need to see, because if there's a firing pin or a thingy for it to fire, and that's I'll let you tap that off.
Just be a piece of solid steel.
Oh wait, what's that?
Like a wooden handle in it, look, there's something through the middle of it.
Yeah, that's not a bullet, is it?
No, it's more like a tool, isn't it?
Oh, that's metal.
It's magnetic, wasn't it?
That's fully metal. That's a steel spike of some sort.
Weird, isn't it?
Maybe it's a weight.
Could be. Only by a big point, isn't it?
Or vampire dagger. Oh, it's the popo. Wow, there's a lot. What's this? Danny. That's all this video is going to be, isn't it? I don't know. Sounds like more, please. Something big must have happened. Man, there's ants on my face. Where? You what?
Better find out where that person's fishing.
Whoa, that's a biggie. We got a big piece of metal. Oh, I went to throw it and look. You are? Oh, what was that? And we have our first bike lock of the day. Oh man, I keep getting stuck. So my audio broke, so I'm going to voice over this. Oh my god, I found a screwdriver! It's so good! Look how big it is! Oh, it's a bit rusty though. Let me tap it on there. Oh yeah, it's definitely rusty. But it's a big screwdriver! How cool is that? It's really cool. Oh, I found a spike! Well, a metal thing with a spike in it. I don't know what that's for, but it's still cool. Yeah!
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was scrappy, but you sang along.
Oh, what's that?
I thought you knew I could die to keep you near.
Look at that, it's like a head jog, isn't it?
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who let trouble again.
What's this? I have no clue. I'm getting very tired now. Very tired. This magnet ain't light, you know. Okay, I'll go up. Look at that. It's a wheel. So they've got something big and they can't pull it out.
Yeah, they need another magnet and a phone.
Right, I'll go over. What is it?
We've got keys out of it, and it's like a square shape. When you hit it, it sounds hollow.
Oh mate, that's a safe.
Yeah.
Right, here's an extra beast.
I pulled it in from over there, and it got clear. I was like, out over here, at an angle. I've got it. It's another part of it. Well, does somebody want to come back on with me while I've still got hold of it?
Mate, that's a safe.
That's what my ears are saying. Hello?
Oh yeah, shut up.
I'm going to let go of it in 5, 4. I'm on it.
I'm probably
Turn the camera over here, please.
1, 2, 3.
Half a metre away. Oh. I'm on it. Together. Oh, don't tell me I'm going to lose my beast. We've got to get it out now, because I'm inside it, I think. I've got grub now. Attempting to pull it out.
Oh, we're stuck. Why don't we try a grappling hook?
Hang on, boys. We did, but we couldn't get it.
Look at that, Mr. Muscle.
Oh, after all that, he's got safe.
Look at that, you see that?
Look at his feet. Hey! It's the sound of whatever that is.
Looks like an air conditioner.
Unit. Yeah. So there's something at the box type, isn't it?
It's an air conditioning unit, that.
Yeah. Well, you know, I found something really nice in it. Thought I'd show you. It's worth all that effort. Look, isn't that beautiful?
I bet there's a big crayfish in there.
Well, turns out.
Look at that little boat. That boat's cool, isn't it?
Huh?
That little boat is cool.
It's cool, yeah.
Oh. Oh, man.
Mate, that's got stuff in it that's loose. Let's see.
Better snap it.
Go on, flip it. I bet you can't. Whoa, close. Oh, took both wheels off. Why is he asking if you want to do ice? Was you filming me?
No, I was filming the Siemens sign. Serious, Siemens.
Very nice.
Here, show us your phone again.
Has anyone lost a phone in Lincoln?
Old school. Is it Motorola?
It is a Motorola.
Right, hey, do you know how much that's worth? About 50p.
You think they lost their shoe as well, look? If anyone could put in the comments below what that is, please. We're a bit unsure at the minute. Dog a tongue.
Look what he's found.
Look at that, mate.
Look at that big Bowie knife.
Beast of a Bowie knife, that is.
Look at that.
Knife as well.
Yeah, that's not important.
Yeah, that don't matter.
Look at that. Wow. Lucky. So we've moved locations. We've actually come here. As you can see there, oh, depending on the sun. Where is it? Spanner. To be honest with you, I'm quite tired, so I'm just letting them do it. See if they get anything good. Anything good?
Pole and a bit of scrap.
Just scrap.
Put it with everybody else's crap that's left.
But tell you what, Lincoln, man, such a beautiful place. I mean, wow, it's so picturesque. There's a big cathedral. Apparently there's a castle. I don't know where it is, but the sign over there says there's one. I mean, it is gorgeous round here. It's a nice day, so it's even better. But yeah, if you're ever in Lincoln, man, stop off here. I'm definitely going to come back here. Definitely. Maybe, well, I'll bring a magnet, but definitely visit again. Oh, he thinks got something heavy. And it's gone.
I pulled it too fast from excitement. I could feel a little curler coming out my bum.
I don't think my mic picked it up. He said he could feel a curler coming out of his bum. You got that excited? Hey, it's a mop.
Still thing.
It's an old bike.
There was a mop there.
No, that's a bit of a boat, that is. That's not. That's an old bike lock. That's not what I'm that.
It's been a good day. Check it. No. Look what he just got.
It's only a toy one.
Who cares? Look at that.
Gun's a gun.
The gun's a gun. It's a toy gun,
But it's a gun.
but it's a gun. Is it plastic? Yeah, I've got the sun. You sure it's a toy?
Are you sure? Yeah, you sure that's a toy? Yeah, it's a toy. Oh, it is.
Oh yeah, that's a toy. There's no cylinder, whatever.
No end on it.
And
Oh,
he's
it
got a
pulls
weight.
out weight.
That's a weight. That's nice, that though. Well done. You got a gun. He's got a gun. Let's see that. Oh mate, that's tiny.
Trimming.
Well, thank you for watching. It's been a very busy day and a long drive to get here and a longer drive to get home. But these chaps have been very nice and they've welcomed me to their little party. I wasn't meant to be coming, it was literally last minute I said can I tag along, so they were very nice and let me.
Always welcome, anytime.
Always welcome.
Hello, guys.
I'll leave their links down in the description, so if you want to check out their channels, please do so. As long as they don't make any bad content about me. Yeah, no. So thanks for watching. Check out all the links down below. Online Magnets is who I use for magnets, and yeah, I can't think of anything else, so I'll see you later. Oh my God!